Hello and welcome to Learn Digital Marketing with Deepak. This is Deepak Kumar here, and I am a digital marketing trainer, a consultant. I also run my digital marketing agency, Express Solutions, and I am also the digital marketing head at property.com. So we have been doing a lot of series around WordPress, and I have made quite a number of videos around WordPress. So today's video is also about WordPress, and today we will learn how to disable comments in your WordPress blog or website. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you are new to blogging and you do not have much idea about WordPress, as we keep posting a lot of videos about WordPress and blogging. Okay, so basically comments are added. The feature of the comment is added so that the users who are visiting your website, they can share their opinion about the post or the content which you are providing on your blog post. So like there are some pages in which you would not like to have comments from the users. So if you want to disable comment from specific pages, then what you can do, you can follow the instruction we are telling. Just follow these instructions and you will be able to easily disable the comments from your pages, posts and any other category you want. So let us see how to do it. To disable the comments, we will use a plugin, as many of you will not be good at coding, so we will make use of a plugin so that it becomes easy for you. So just go to the plugin section, click on add new. In the add new, in the keyword search option, just type disable comments. Just look for this plugin. Now the first plugin itself, we will use the first plugin itself. Click on install now and then activate it. Okay, now the plugin has been installed. I am activating it. Now let us come to the settings of this plugin. Okay, now click on settings, and if you want to disable the comments, you can click on everywhere if you want to disable the comments everywhere. Okay, and if you want to disable the comments on certain post type, then what you can do, you can select the sections on which you do not want to see comments from the users. Like if you do not want comments on post, you can select them. If you do not want comments on pages, then you can select pages and media. And if you want to leave some space, leave some category for comments, if you are up for comments, then you can deselect it or leave it blank and click on save changes. Now if I visit the website, like if I open this particular post, now you can see earlier there was a comment section over here, but now the comments have been disabled and you will not be able to see any option to comment. Okay, so this is the way by which you can disable comments on your blog posts or your pages. Hope you have understood it. So that's all for now. If you want, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm on LinkedIn, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more blogging, affiliate marketing and other tutorials for free. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.